Barnard, the Stamps of Life, you need to mark your calendars right now. Get out your calendar because June 10th at 4 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. Eastern time, we are going to be doing a free online event where we showcase some brand new items that are on flash sale. What's a flash sale? Flash sale means that it's a brand new item, brand new to our website, and not only do our club members get their club discount on those items, but we have it at a sale price as well. Meaning my club members are getting the sale price and their club discount. So they get to double dip on those discounts, which is so much fun. June 10th, 4 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. Eastern time, I will be debuting these brand new items. I will be demonstrating them, showing you samples, and we're gonna have a blast. We're gonna have the online chats. We are just gonna have so much fun. And you know what? We also like to do some raffles during, and the raffles are free. You just add to the chat and you're entered to win on some of those awesome prizes. We're gonna have a blast. It's like a party, but we're all in our pajamas, which is so much more fun, right? Now, June 10th, you're going to be able to find us on YouTube, Facebook, and our website, as well as maybe even Instagram. So go check it out. We will be there. I hope you will be there too. June 10th, 4 p.m. Pacific time, 7 p.m. Eastern. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.